Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some of the logarithm problems in this video. Here, before watching this video, if you not watched my previous video, in that video I explained about the logarithms identities and where we will use the logarithm identities. I explained in that video. The video link is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can understand very clearly about the logarithms problems. Here, let us go for the first question in this logarithm problems. Here, the first question is express log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 as log n. Here, in logarithms, we will convert the expanded logarithm into contracted one, the contracted logarithm into expanded form. Means here we are having here expanded form of a logarithm. The expanded form of logarithm we will convert into 1 log, and if 1 log is given we will convert into expanded form. Here expansion form means converting the small logarithm into expanded logarithms, and here contracted logarithm means here the expanded logarithm we will convert into small logarithm, that is called as contraction logarithm. Here they given the expanded logarithm and they are asking to find the contracted logarithm as log n, and what is the value of n we will find here. Now the solution for this question is given log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 we are having. Here by the identity we can say this center one 2 log 3 is in the form of m log a is equal to log a power m. Here for this we are not having any base in the logarithm. If you are not having any base in the logarithm, we have to consider the base is 10. By this we can say that log 10 plus it is in the form of m log a. M log a. Here in the place of m is 2, in the place of a is 3. So we can write it as log a power m, means log a is 3, 3 power m is 2, 3 power 2, here is minus, log 2 we are having here. So we can say here log 10 plus 3 square is log 9. 3 square is 3 multiplied 2 times 3 3 is the 9 minus log 2 we got here. Now it is in the form of again log m plus log n. Identity is there here. Log m plus log n is equal to log m into n or log mn we can say. If we are having plus in between, we can multiply the logarithms. So we get, what we will get here, log 10 into m is 10, plus is plus, log is log, n is 9. So m into n is 10 into minus log 2 we got here. So here log 10 into 9 is 90 minus log 2 we are having here. Look at here, log m minus log n form it is. So we can say here log m minus log n is equal to, if minus is there we will get division. So we can say log m by n is the identity of log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. Here in the place of m we are having 90, in the place of n we are having 2. Log m by n is equal to what we get here, log 90 by 2. Here 90 by 2. This will get cancelled in two table. 2 1s are 2. 2 45s are 90. So we got the value is log 45. And it is in the form of log n. It is in the form of log n. What is the value of n here? Log n is log 45. Means in the place of n what we are having here? N is equal to 45. The value of n is 45 in this logarithm problem. In this way, by using the identities, we will solve the logarithm problems. If we don't know the logarithm identities, we cannot solve the problems of the logarithms. The logarithm identities video link is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can understand where to use which identity will be known to you very clearly. Now let us go for another problem. The next problem is express 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 as log n. And here they given 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 and we have to convert this one as log n. Means this is also contraction problem. Now the solution for this question is given 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 and this both are in the form of m log a. M log a is equal to log a power m, we can say. In the place of m we are having here 2, log is log, a is 3. This is also m log a. In the place of m is 3, log is log, a is 2. So we can write this one as this base m will goes to the power m log a is equal to log a power m. Here log, this one will go to the square, 3 square minus this one will go to the power. So log 2 cube we got. Now here log 3 square is 9 minus log 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And here again it is in the form of log m minus log n. Log m minus log n is equal to log m by n identity. We can say if you are having minus in the logarithms, we get m by n. So we get log 9 by 8 here. And again it is in the form of log n here. The value of n is 9 by 8. Now let us go for another problem. The next question is find the value of 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. And this is very important problem. The solution for this question is solution given 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. This question is in the form of a power m plus n is equal to, can I write it as a power m into a power n? Yes. In multiplication, when bases are equal, power should be added here. In the same way, here the powers are added. If I am separating this one, I can write this one as 2 square into 2 power log 3 to the base 2. I can write here. Look at here. In multiplication, when bases are equal, we will take one base. Powers are added. 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. We got here. By the exponent property, we got this one. As we know already, here 2 square is 4 into 2 power log 3 to the base 2 we are having here. If you observe this one, this is like an identity of a power log b to the base a is equal to b here. Here a power log base is a. Here also 2 power log 2. If both are same, we can directly say this b as the answer. So we get by this identity a power log b to the base a, we can say 2 power log 3 to the base 2 value is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. The value of 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 is 12.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.